Why Alia is not clever than Deepika? Alia and Deepika both are leading actresses of Bollywood. Both of these actresses have a huge fan following in Bollywood and around the world too. But it seems like Alia Bhatt is not clever as Deepika Padukone. Deepika and Alia both are A-list and most sought after Bollywood actresses. Deepika rose to fame with her movie The Character of Veronica in the movie Cocktail, and there was no looking back for her. Deepika gave back-to-back hits like Race 2, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Ram Leela and Chennai Express and became the top actress of Bollywood. Filmmakers badly wanted to cast Deepika in their films because of her craze among people. After the success of Bajirao Mastani, Deepika decided to hike her charge for movies. Deepika started charging like almost the Khans in the industry for a movie, which is a huge amount. Alia is not clever like Deepika because even after giving back-to-back hit movies with great performances, Alia did not raise her charge. Alia was told by many of her well-wishers like her father Mahesh Bhatt, Soni Rasta, Karan Johar that she could hike her charge. Even Varun Dhawan once called Alia Bhatt a stupid in an interview as she still charges very less amount per movie. But Alia is determined to stick with her will of not hiking her charge. Alia thinks that too much cleverness would make her well-going Bollywood career bad. As Deepika hiked her charge too much, many filmmakers are not able to work with her anymore because of budget. Deepika has lost many good scripts, great characters just because of her charges. Many filmmakers have said that they do not want to cast Deepika with that much of money because they're Bollywood actresses who can carry a movie on their own shoulders with much less money than Deepika. Filmmakers are ready to cast Kangana, Vidya Balan, Alia Bhatt, who are really great actresses, charging lesser money than Deepika. Deepika was paid even more than her male co-stars in the movie Padmavat. She now charges even more than what Amitabh Bachchan charges for a movie. That is why Deepika is not able to do much movies in the industry lately, as most of the producers are not ready to pay her that much. Deepika's last movie Chhapaak was highly anticipated, but it failed to perform up to the expectations. Chhapaak's performance broke Meghna Gulzar's heart and she regretted casting Deepika with so much money in the film. On the other hand, Meghna Gulzar's movie Razi starring Alia performed really well at the box office and it also received great reviews. Alia is doing great in her Bollywood career and she is doing some amazing films every year. As her charges are lower than Deepika, filmmakers prefer Alia more than Deepika. On one hand, Alia is doing back-to-back movies with lesser money. On the other hand, Deepika is hardly getting offers because of her charge. This is why Alia has not hiked her price yet, as she wants to do more great movies with good scripts. Deepika is getting very less amount of work and Alia does not want to repeat the same mistake with her Bollywood career. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.